So these are the Skechers Men's Felton Uniform Dress Shoes. We'll go ahead and open these up and take a closer look. It says roomier fit, comfort included, and slip resistant, and they're from the Skechers Work series. On the side here, these happen to be the size 14, but of course they are available in several different sizes. They're made in China. It says E/8 electrical hazard, and they've got slip resistant soles, and that's why we bought them. For the slip resistance. Let's go ahead and open these up and have a closer look here. So there they are there, the Skechers Felton. Lots of stitching in there. It looks like a lot of it is double stitched. Thick rubber sole on the bottom there, and the upper says it's synthetic. And Skechers slip resistant, and you can see all the tread there on the bottom making them slip resistant. That'll be super handy. This side here, you've got the Skechers logo, all of the stitching, black laces. It says Skechers Relaxed Fit Memory Foam for work. There's the toe. Some tags here, slip resistant sole, E/H electrical hazard, and Skechers Work slip resistant footwear with relaxed fit. It says roomier fit, removable memory foam footbed, and multi-flex lightweight slip resistant outsole. And that's what the back looks like there with the Skechers logo as well. Have a quick look inside. Pull that out. The tongue is quite thick and the sides are even thicker. I think there's going to be a lot of support there. And when I push on the back, you have to push even harder for there to be any give. So a lot of support there. Inside the memory foam, when I push down, it's really quite soft. These are going to be quite comfortable if you're using these for a long day's work. And again, these are the Skechers Men's Felton Uniform Dress Shoes with the anti-slip on the bottom. Looks like a good shoe that should hold up for quite a while.